What if I told you that you could retire early, not by winning the lottery, not by building a business empire, but by investing just $500 a month? It sounds impossible, but it's not. In fact, thousands of ordinary people are already doing it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your own path to early retirement, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. What does early retirement actually mean? Most people assume retirement starts at age 65. Work for 40+ years, then maybe, just maybe, you'll have time to enjoy life. But early retirement flips that script. It's not about doing nothing. It's about having the freedom to choose what you do, when you do it, and who you do it with. For some, early retirement means quitting work completely. For others, it means switching to part-time, pursuing a passion, or traveling the world. Whatever your version is, it starts with building income-generating assets. And it turns out, you don't need to be rich to do it. Let's talk numbers. Let's say you invest $500 every month, consistently. That's $6,000 a year. If you invest that money into a low-cost index ETF, like VU or SCHD, and it grows at an average of 8% per year, here's what happens. After 10 years, you'd have around $90,000 after 20 years, about $275,000 after 30 years, nearly $680,000 after 40 years, over $1.5 million. This is the power of compound growth. You're not getting rich overnight. You're letting time do the heavy lifting. But how much do you actually need to retire? The key concept here is called the 4% rule. It says that if you withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio every year, your money will likely last for 30 years or more, even accounting for inflation and market ups and downs. So, let's say you want to live on $40,000 per year. Divide that by 0.04, and you get $1 million. That's your target retirement number. Want $60,000 per year? You'll need $1.5 million. Want $100,000 per year? That's $2.5 million. And here's the beauty. You can hit these numbers with time plus consistency, not luck. What if you start late? Let's say you're 35 and just starting. You invest $500 per month, and aim to retire at 55. That gives you 20 years. At 8% average growth, you'd still end up with over $275,000. It's not full retirement, but it could cover a part-time transition, or several years of travel, or let you take control of your work life. And if you start earlier, like in your 20s, you could retire by 50, 45, or even earlier. Can you really live off investments? Yes, and here's how. Once you build your portfolio, you can start withdrawing in two ways. Sell assets gradually, using the 4% rule. Live off dividends. From funds like SCHD or VYM, many investors build portfolios that pay $1,000 to $4,000 per month in dividends. And they never touch the principal. This is true passive income. Money that works for you, while you sleep, travel, or do whatever you want. The secret is not magic, it's habit. Most people never get there because they say, I don't have enough to invest, it's too late, I'll start later. But later becomes never. And every year you wait is money lost. $500 a month sounds like a lot. But if you break it down, it's about $16.50 a day. That's the price of one meal out, a couple subscriptions, random Amazon purchases. Cut the noise. Automate the investment. Watch your future grow. What should you invest in? If you're not a stock expert, don't worry. You don't need to be. You can build an early retirement portfolio with just one or two ETFs. Here are three great options. VOO, S&P 500 SCHD, Dividend Growth VT, Total World Stock Market. All three offer broad diversification, low fees, long-term performance, zero stress. Automate your $500 per month into one or two of these, and stay consistent. The biggest mistake people make: they think retirement is an age. But retirement is a number, a portfolio value that gives you freedom. Don't wait until 65 to ask if you've made it. Start asking now. What do I want life to look like in 10, 15, 20 years? How can I buy time, not just stuff? What will my money look like if I stay consistent? You don't need to get rich quickly. You just need to build slowly and relentlessly. Final words: early retirement is not just for millionaires. It's not about luck. It's not about crypto or day trading. It's about understanding your numbers, controlling your spending, investing consistently, and giving time a chance to work. If you can save $500 per month, or grow toward that, you're already on the path. Start now. Invest with purpose. And design a life where you're free, not just old. If this video helped you, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more smart, honest investing content. Warning: this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.